good afternoon everyone. Welcome here at Ali Josh Ben's Place as we celebrate the 7th birthday celebration of Shari.
There's something different today. I'm on the bright side and things are going my way.
We praise you and we thank you that we gather here today to celebrate the 7th birthday of our dear Ilya Shari contest.
Outside in every shade of gray. Oh, what a happy day. Whoa, isn't it the sweetest thing when everything feels...
Of course, masaya kami na dumating siya sa buhay namin. Actually, a mixed emotion kasi hindi naman totally planned si Shari. Pero still, we're blessed and I'm very happy po na dumating si Shari.
Siyempre, masaya kasi ito na yung feeling ng magiging isang ama ka na or magkakaroon ka na ng pamilya.
Ikaw ang isa sa pinakaunang batang agent ng Excellence Team. Kaya yun, nasundan namin na namin yung paglaki mo. Magbabait palagi kay Mami at Daddy. Stay sweet and gorgeous. Stay pretty. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
Siyempre, salamat at siyempre nakikita namin na maraming nagmamahal kay Shari. Presensya nyo palang napakasaya na namin at napaka-thankful sa inyong lahat.
Thank you po sa love ninyo sa aming family po and I hope na you enjoy the party po. Thank you po! I pray to you to bless this child, bless her to become successful in all aspects of her life. Be with her always.
Meet up with the boys in town. We go out around and around, young and free, no place to be.
Let's all welcome our birthday family and of course your birthday girl. Put your hands together for Shari!
Kasi bukod sa smart kid siya, achiever din sa school, kaya parang daw worth it naman ito lahat ng pinagandaan natin siya. Saka sabi nga nila, since nag-iisang anak, and then kaunahang apo din, kaya binuhos na namin.
Lumaki ka pa na, na mas bibo, active sa lahat ng bagay, masayahin, tsaka laging magpasalamat sa mga biyayang natatanggap, lalo sa mga paligid niya na laging nandyan para sumuporta sa akin.
Wait lang, tatiming ka sir, tatiming ka. Wala pa yung beat eh.
So yun, enjoy mo lang ang pagiging bata and laging magpe-pray and then don't forget to say, I love you. Okay? Stay sweet as you are and be humble. I love you, Shari, and happy birthday. Okay.
So, lumaki ka ng mabuti, mabait. I wish you all the best in life. Basta andito lang kami ni Daddy at lahat ng nagmamahal sa iyo to guide you and support you kung ano man ang gusto mo in your life. Happy birthday! I love you!
We go on every night, stay